that you had.
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Hold on. Was it me going in front? For me cutting line?
Yeah, you jumped right out of the lane and went up and came right. Did you pull out of the driveway?
No, I was coming from. So I came across.
Okay.
And I was gonna go down, but then I didn't want to go because of deer. Okay. So I'm going to. So I was like, I'll just take main roads. Okay. And second guess, and then went back to the left lane.
All right. Do you have your license on you? I'm not gonna give you a ticket or anything like that.
I don't. Can you just write down my name?
It's a nice bike, though.
Thank you.
Solicitor is Brian Farmhouse at 136 Bradford.
Where's your license plate?
I knew you were gonna ask. It's right there.
I thought so.
I have it like that for when I go to the track and pictures. But I haven't rode my bike in like a week and I forgot.
Honestly, I saw that and I was like, please don't run. I don't feel like doing this.
I'm not gonna lie. I was like, we're in the middle of town. I was like, I don't want to do it to you, so I was like, I'll let you go. I was like, what can you get? You can give me a small ticket, but that's it.
What's your name?
I'm good at this. I know what you guys need.
Stop before?
Yeah, maybe once or twice.
Alright, give me a second.
Alright, man.
Alright, boss. You're good to go.
Alright.
You know, don't do that. Stay in line.
Can I do it?
I know, I ride bikes.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
What do you got?
So when I grew up, I had all cruisers, like a V-Star 1100.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get one of these because I drove too fast on them.
So do I, but I'm still here.
This is true. This is true. You got the whole get up though. That's good.
Yeah, because I don't want to die.
Yeah, yeah. And that's a big thing with bikes when, you know, I go to pull them over. I'm like, I know the want to, you know what I mean? Because it takes off.
The main reason I didn't run is because A, I'm wearing a bright red suit. 2, I'm close to home. Mm-hmm. And 3, my tires are cold. I literally just pulled out of there. I'm gonna slide all over. I was like, no, I'm not doing it.
That's it, man. Because my thing is, I don't. For you to die or me to get in a crash is not worth it. You know what I mean? Over some.
Well, cops aren't supposed to chase, and really, you were just gonna embarrass yourself. I'm being honest.
Like, say you take off, you know, cold tires and everything, and smash into a car across the street. Then I'm like.
That's why I don't do it, because I'm literally in the middle of town. I'm like, there's so many people around. Yep. It's too early for it. Trust me, I've gotten into my running with. I know you guys.
All right, boss.
Can I put my plate back up?
What's that? No, keep it down.
All right, until you get. All right, man. Enjoy the rest of your night. Be safe. Thank you. Tail end getting squirrely. It is cold. It's like 45 degrees. That's cop. Safe boy. Oh, now I'm shivering. I need adrenaline.
They been asking where I'm at, I've been gone. We ain't shooting for his head, we gon' take off his neck. Time to take off like a jet, I'm an underrated threat.